In his eyes, it may not be the best in the eyes of the people, because there isn't much material gain to be made and profit to be made from this occupation. But in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the occupation that you are part of, and I thank Allah that I am part of, is definitely the best in the eyes of Allah. We all know this very authentic hadith of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, خَيْرُكُمْ مَنْ تَعَلَّمَ الْقُرْآنَ وَعَلَّمَهُ. This is the best occupation that we are part of. I don't need to elaborate because you already know this hadith anyway. But it's good to remind ourselves so we can work hard. Sometimes when we see overwhelming majority of the people chasing dunya and how much money they are making, chances are shaitan can easily whisper into our ears and minds that, oh, what are you doing here, wasting your time? What are you going to get once you graduate as an alim? Sometimes shaitan can take the wrong advantage of whispering into your hearts and minds. When you see the rich people prospering and flourishing in the dunya, whereas you see yourselves in small little section of this dunya and just day and night just within the books of hadith and Quran. So I would like you to remind you, people of the world, you will have the men saluting them. Ji sir, yes sir, ji sir. What are you, who's saluting you? You know who's saluting you? The malaika. وَإِنَّ الْمَلَائِكَةَ لَتَضَعُ أَجْنِحَتَهَا رِضًا لِطَالِبِ الْعِلْمِ أو كما قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم. They are saluted by men of the dunya, and you are being saluted and I am being saluted by the angels. This is their salutation, isn't it? If they spread their wings out of respect for ourselves, this is their salutation. तो इससे बड़ी नेमत क्या होती है कि मलाइका हमें सलामी दे, और ये मलाइका की सलामी है. So alhamdulillah, we should be proud of this. I would also like you to remind you that we should be tremendously proud of this occupation, because this Allah is the first muallim. Ar-Rahman allama al-Quran. Ar-Rahman allama al-Quran. So first muallim is Allah. Jibreel alayhi salam as the student, and Jibreel as the muallim, and then he alayhi salatu was salam is the student. And now with that's this silsila is now continuing from there, starting from Allah. And today I am part of that chain, the golden chain. The silsila to dhahab hai. See, it's a golden chain that started with Allah. And me and you today, after 14 centuries, we are part of that golden chain. You are part of it, I am part of it. What an honor to be part of this golden chain. It starts with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So my pleasure, your pleasure, to be part of that golden chain. However, whilst we are in this occupation, whilst we have reminded ourselves that yes, it's the best occupation, what is required is hard work. Hard work. And alhamdulillah, I have come across many students here, all the students here, they are extremely hardworking. Many congratulations to you all, wherever I have been to. Today I was in the institution of Hazrat Mufti Muhammad Sahib. And what an institution again, a very similar setup. A very similar setup where there is a lot of emphasis on ulum ud-deen, but at the same time there is a lot of emphasis on the secular studies as well, especially the English language. And I see the students really dedicated. So yes, this dedication and commitment is inshallah will take you very far. As a last advice, may I tell you that you should have some form of vision and an ambition what you are going to do once you are graduated. See, never should occur in your mind that you will utilize the ulumuddin in order to hoard wealth, the wealth of the dunya. That should never be the intention. In fact, it is one of the signs of qiyamah and one of the diseases that the ummah will become infected with before the advent of qiyamah. وَتُعَلِّمَ الدِّينُ لِلدُّنْيَا أو كما قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم. He alayhi salam has regarded this as a disease when the ulum of deen will be acquired in order to make money. I will make my own sanctuary, I will make my own mansion, I will hoard the money, I will make dunya. Then again, this is going to be the most evil intention an alim can ever have. So what should be the intention? The intention should be that let me graduate, and after graduation, let me allow to become employed in the service of Allah and in the service of His deen, and let me carry the banner of Iman and Islam and allow the banner of Islam to flare all around the world. This should be the intention. And to be honest with you, my dear brothers, this is not very far. It's not a far vision. If that is far-fetched and impossible, at the end of the day, we know the situation of Afghanistan. Afghanistan, at the end of the day, who won the battle? Who collided with the whole wide global world? That nobody could collide and nobody could challenge and nobody could allow them to lose. And who became victorious? It was people like myself, yourself, who many years ago they were part of a madrasa studying Quran and Hadith. Later on they had this good intention. Today the whole world put together, America, Britain, Europe and many so countries together could not even challenge those handful of scholars and ulamas. This is our strength. This is the strength that this Quran and Hadith has. And if we are dedicated towards that vision, then a time will come, who knows, then again victory in the name of Allah could be at your hands. There will be some of you here who will bring and revive the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here on the planet. This is where it starts. And for me and you, Taliban of Afghanistan is a perfect example that how much strength this Quran and Hadith has, how much strength the ulama can have, that they can challenge the whole world. That no other Muslim countries, even Turkey and big countries, could even put together, could not challenge them. Nobody could even look into their eyes. Yet a handful of students managed to do that. Is just for ourselves, it's like a miracle. It's like a miracle. And this is how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has put the strength in this. And if we have that vision, then this is what I would like to be part of in reviving the deen of Allah. That is now at the moment very much in danger. The deen is in danger. صحیح ہے نا؟ قرآن احکام کا کس طرح جنازہ نکل رہا ہے، کیسے دین کی باتیں اور دین کے احکام جلائے جا رہے ہیں. کوئی تو قرآن اوراق کو پھاڑ رہا ہے تو کوئی قرآن احکام کو جلا رہا ہے. Transgender bills, and we are looking at on a daily basis these things are happening. You will be the ones, inshallah, you will challenge. It's only people who are part of institutions like this that one day will bring in the change. And if you have that intention and vision, then inshallah it is my honor and your honor to serve the ummah and to serve the deen of Allah Azza wa Jal. I pray to Allah Almighty to allow me to be part of that vision and mission. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow you also to be part of that mission too. Ameen, thumma ameen, wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. A very big thank you for affording me the opportunity of a few minutes to share this message with yourselves. And I hope this message becomes a means of guidance for myself and yourself.
Oh